Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Just a quick video to show how easy it is to change straps on a Suunto 9. So first of all, go to the back. You'll see there's this little tab. Sorry, I'm doing this watching through my phone. Press it down, pull it out, boom, out like that. New strap. Just fit it in the bottom hole like that. Press that down, line it up, boom, in there. Okay, second one, press down, pull it out, and then that strap, basically you'll see the little holes there. Pins on the watch strap looks like this. So you just put the first pin in the hole, press down, line it up, and it's that easy. Thank you for watching.